What measures could the BIR do to collect the reported unpaid estate taxes of the Marcoses? That big question and more with tax expert Mon Abrea, CEO and Senior Tax Advisor of Asian Consulting Group. Good evening, Mr. Abrea, and welcome again to The Big Story.
Good evening.
Mr. Abrea, again, we have to say President Duterte did not necessarily refer to Bongbong Marcos in this particular statement, but we have been talking about the estate taxes of Bongbong Marcos since last year, since no less than Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio brought it up. There is a Supreme Court decision on it already. So taking it at face from what Justice Carpio pointed out, what is stopping the BIR from collecting on those taxes?
I think based on the statement made by Finance Secretary, it's clear that the BIR is making a demand. They're trying to collect. It's just that the camp of Marcoses, they are not responding or they're not doing anything about it.
Okay. So in that case, when the BIR is trying to collect and they keep reminding, and an entity or a person refuses to do so, is there an additional crime on top, or is there an additional offense or crime on top of not paying the original taxes?
Of course, willful attempt not to pay or to evade taxes is grounds for tax evasion. But just to explain it a bit, the BIR is actually exhausting its administrative remedy through the warrant of distraint and or levy. But they also have a judicial remedy, which is filing criminal charges.
Okay. And at what point does that come into play? Or do we just keep, is there a limit to which the BIR can exercise these administrative options? And is there a certain point when they will have to take it to the criminal route?
I don't think there is a deadline. I think it's literally the decision of the government how to handle the case, since it's been 30 years. And in fact, it can be a legacy of the Duterte administration if in fact they will be able to put an end to this unpaid 203 billion estate tax liability of the Marcos family.
It could be their legacy. On the other hand, as you pointed out, more than 30 years already, going on 30 years already. So theoretically, this can also go on and on and on and on.
That's why I think the suggestion of the former Supreme Court Justice Carpio is very important to consider already filing criminal charges.
Okay, maraming salamat po. That was Mon Abrea, CEO and Senior Tax Advisor for the Asian Consulting Group.